Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus linear equation in two variables. First exercise already I have completed. Now second exercise. Before doing the second exercise we will see solution of a linear equation. So what is linear equation? The general form of the linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a, b, c are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers and A and B not both 0. Both not 0. This is the general form of the linear equation. Now we will see solution of the linear equation. For example, if we are taking 2x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, solution means if we are substituting x values and y values in an equation, it will be equal to the other side. So this is the general form we will say. So if you substitute the values for x and y, it has to be equal to the other side. You generally in one side will be having x and y values, the other side constant will be there. So when you substitute these any values in this, you have to get the other side. So here first one I am taking this x value as 3 and y value as 0. So 2 into 3 plus 0 is equal to 6. So I am getting 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, that is equal to 6 is equal to 6. So we will say this 3 and 0 are the solutions of this equation. Okay, like this. Some more example if you are taking x is equal to 2. Okay, and y is equal to 2. If I am taking x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So I will be getting 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 will be 6 is equal to 6. So this 2 and 2, x value of 2, y value of 2 will also be a solution for this equation. Then if I take x value as 0 and y value as 6. So 2 into 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. So 6 is equal to 6. So this x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6 will also be the solution of the given linear equation. So in general we can say that there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation. So there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation. So how to find that? For finding that, you take any x value, substitute it in the given equation and find the y value. So like that we will get the solution. So there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation. So based on this we will be doing exercise 4.2. So now we will do exercise sums. Exercise 4.2 first sum. Which one of the following options is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus y has unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. So the given equation y is equal to 3x plus y, when we rewrite this, y is equal to 3x plus 5, when we rewrite this, we will get minus 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. We will get a linear equation for this. That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we will get a linear equation for this. So for all linear equation we will get infinitely many solutions. So when we are substituting x value here, we will get different x values. If we substitute different y values, we will get. So it has, and y means since it is a linear equation, it has infinitely many solutions. They are asking us to check whether it will have unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution. No, it won't have only one solution. Only two solution. Only two solution is also not possible. It has only infinitely many solutions. Since it is a linear equation, in two variables it has infinitely many solutions for that. Next one is write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. So 3 questions are given. We are asked to find 4 solutions for that. So first we will take 2x plus y is equal to 7. Okay, so in this one we will take 2x, we will keep 2x here and take that y to the other side. 7 minus y. We will take like this. Then first one is y value. So if we are taking y value as 2, if we are taking y value as 2, then 2x is equal to 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. We will get x value as 5 by 2. Usually the solution of the linear equation, we will write it in the ordered pass only within brackets. The ordered pass means the first element is the solution for x, value of x, and the second number is the value of y. Okay, so first one is if y is equal to 2, then x is equal to 5. Then next one is if we take y is equal to 1. If we take y is equal to 1, then 2x is equal to 7 minus 1. This is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 by 2. We'll get x is equal to 3. Then if we take y is equal to 3. So 2x is equal to 7 minus 3. That is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Then if we take, we are asked to find 4 solutions for that. So we found 3 solutions. One more is if y is equal to 5, then 2x is equal to 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. So x value is equal to 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. So the solutions are, we will write it in set of ordered pairs. So that is 5 by 2, comma 2. This is the first solution. Then 3, comma 1. Then 2, comma 3 and 1, comma 5. So these are the 5 solutions for the first sum. Okay. So now we will do the second one. So second one, it is given as pi x. Okay. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. Okay. So in this one, we will take y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Anyway, it can be taken. Here in this, I have taken it as 2x is equal to 7 minus y. Here I am taking y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Okay. So first one, I will take x value as 0. Then y is equal to 9 minus pi into 0. So y is equal to 9. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 9. Then if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 9 minus pi into 1. So I will get 9 minus pi. Okay. So then x is equal to, so pi I have taken. Pi, since pi is there, we will get the solution with pi only. So if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 9 into 9 minus pi into 2 pi. So I will get the solution as 9 minus 2 pi. Okay. Then if x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 9 minus pi into minus 1. So I will get 9 plus pi. So these are the solutions. So the solutions are 0, 9, 0, 9, 1, 9 minus pi, 2, 9 minus 2 pi and minus 1, 9 plus pi. So these are the solutions for the second equation. Okay. Now we will do the third one. Third one is x is equal to 4y. Okay. So in this I am taking y values. So y is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 4 into 0. That is equal to 0. Then if y is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 into 1. So x value will be 4. Then y is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 4 into 2, so that is equal to 8. Then if y is equal to 3, x is equal to 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. So therefore the solutions are 0, 0. So first element is x value, first one is x value, then second one within the bracket is y value. 0, 0, then 4, 1, 8, 2 and 12, 3. So these are the solutions for the given equations. Now third sum. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. So 5 solutions are given. So all the solutions are given in ordered pairs. So first one is x value and second one is y value. So these x and y values we are asked to substitute it in the given equation and check which are the solutions. Solution means both the sides, when you are substituting it, it has to be equal to 4. We have to get like that. So first one, the equation given is x minus 2y is equal to 4. So the first thing given as 0, 2. That is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Now I will substitute this in the given equation. So x value is given as 0 and y value is given as 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So when we simplify this, we will get minus 4 is not equal to 4. So 0, 2 is not the solution. So 0, 2. We are asked to write that also and which are not. So 0, 2 is not the solution. Is not the solution. So this is for the first one, 0, 2. Then second one is 2, 0. So the given equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. So in this x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0, we are substituting. So this one will be 2 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. So here we will be getting 2 into 0 is 0. So 2 not equal to 4. So 2, 0 is not a solution. Is not a solution. Okay. Then third one is 4, 0. So the equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. So here the x value is given as 4 and y value is given as 0. So when we are substituting it here, 4 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. So we will get 4 equal to 4. So we are getting both the sides equal. So 4, 0 is the solution for the given equation. Is the solution. So 3 sum over. Then fourth one is root 2, 4 root 2. These are the solutions given. So x minus 2y is equal to 4. So x value here is given as root 2 and y value is given as 4 root 2. Okay. So when we are substituting here, x value is root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2 is equal to 4. So root 2 minus 8 root 2 is equal to 4. So we get minus 7 root 2 is not equal to 4. So root 2, 4 root 2 is not the solution. Not a solution. Okay. Then last sum, fifth one, 1, 1. So x minus 2y is equal to 4. Here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 when we are substituting. 1 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 4. So 1 minus 2 is equal to 4. So minus 1 not equal to 4. So 1, 1 is not a solution. So like this, all the 5 solutions, all the 5 ordered pairs, values of x and y, we have substituted in the given equation and check which is the solution. And in this 4, 0 is only the solution for the given equation. All others are not the solution. Fourth sum is find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So the given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. In this, it is given that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution. Okay, so we will substitute x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in the given equation. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1, that is equal to k. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 is equal to k. So we will get the k value as 7. So we are asked to find the value of k. So by substituting these two values, given solution in the given equation, we will get k value as 7. Okay, so with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.